It's snowing. Watch till the very end if you want to see the snow when I was driving home from work. But in the meantime, I'm going to answer your question about these burned out lights, Christmas lights. I'm getting ready to hang the garland around our front door. And I wanted to show you how to use these burned out lights. They're the same lights that I showed you in the other video. I already have them plugged in right here. See this? Here's the light strand with the prong that I'm going to use as an extension cord. Now, one of you made a comment for me to show you how this works. All right, let's watch. There. Did you see it? This one lit up. It's all lit. And I need to put new ribbon in it before I hang it. But I wanted to make sure that the lights were still good. I didn't need to restring new lights. So I just used this cord as my extension cord. Now, see? So this works the same way an extension cord would with light strings. It does not work as an extension cord with other types of plugs. So this is really handy. I will be able to hang my lights. I know they're working well, and I've got the full extent of the string of tangled lights. I'm not completely finished. I need more ribbons, and I need to straighten it up a little bit, put some other things on. Ta-da! The lights just bring me so much joy. My favorite part of Christmas lights, because you know, no matter how dark it is, it will never, ever overcome the light. That's right. Darkness will never overcome the light. And that's my favorite part. It's snowing. Isn't this magical? This kind of snow is super slick. There's a snowplow because there's so much water in it.